Since 2009, we have specialized in the manufacturing of injection molds and plastic molded parts. Over the years, we have exported more than 2,000 molds and millions of plastic parts to customers across Europe and the United States. Backed by experienced technicians and advanced equipment, we deliver precision, reliability, and consistent manufacturing quality. Our office, newly renovated in 2025, provides a modern and professional working environment, including a meeting room, sample room, and dedicated departments for sales, finance, purchasing, and human resources, ensuring smooth communication and efficient project support. Our engineering department includes experienced mold designers and CNC programming engineers. Using the latest UG and AutoCAD software, our team develops efficient and accurate mold designs to support stable production, faster development, and reliable project execution. Quality control is applied throughout every stage of manufacturing. Equipped with CMM systems and projectors, our QC department carefully inspects mold inserts and components after each process to ensure every mold is produced within the required tolerances. Our main production workshops cover grinding, CNC machining, EDM processing, polishing, and mold assembly. With advanced equipment including Mitsubishi CNC machines, Sodic wire cutting machines, and AG Sharmil's EDM machines, we maintain machining tolerances within plus or minus 0.01 millimeters to support dependable mold quality and stable production performance. Our molding shop operates 20 injection molding machines ranging from 90 tons to 380 tons, including one 2K injection machine. All machines are equipped with robotic systems for fully automatic operation. Molded products are then checked and packed in a separate clean and air-conditioned room to ensure better handling, cleaner operation, and more consistent product quality. To support ultra-precision manufacturing requirements, we also cooperate closely with our trusted partner's precision facility, which includes high-speed CNC machining, EDM wire cutting, super precision EDM, super precision grinding, and high-speed injection molding equipment capable of achieving accuracy as tight as plus or minus 0.002 millimeters, with grinding precision up to plus or minus 0.001 millimeters. With experienced teams, advanced equipment, and strong manufacturing support, we are committed to providing high-quality injection molds and plastic molded parts to customers worldwide with precision, efficiency, and reliability.